This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by COICA.
Dear listener, you may learn so important things in this program as far as you can pay attention. However, our program today is special for Form 2 biology learners. The program will provide free discussion on the concept of gaseous exchange, parts associated with gaseous exchange, and diseases related with respiratory system. Remember, self-assessment is allowed. For our lovely teachers, the program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students so that they will learn with joy and improve their performance as well as competency. Today, our friends Salma and Musa are in the speedboat on the way to Mafia. Let's follow them and hear what will happen in their journey.
Happy, 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 radio class. Happy, 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 radio class. Happy, 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 happy,
Where are you, Salma? I was looking for you every corner.
Oh, let me relax. Don't tell me anything.
This is how people travel with ships and ferry boats. Sometimes you may face many passengers like this.
I can't breathe well.
By the way, this is your first time, so when you get familiar with it, you will feel just normal.
Not like that, Musa. I don't agree with you. I think it is a risk. People cannot maintain their health like this.
But how do you feel now?
Are you laughing at me? Okay, let's go.
No, even myself, I feel not comfortable. The air is not normal.
Yes, of course. People lack fresh air for breathing.
You know, this place is very crowded. Not enough space for fresh air. Let's go at the top.
Okay, let's go. Wow, this is very nice place.
Yes, I knew that you will enjoy it.
Yeah, the seats are full, but the air is fresh.
Yes, fresh air is very important. That's why I prefer to sit at this place while you're traveling.
What is the reason of breathing problem in overcrowded place?
Basically, it's because there is no gaseous exchange in such place.
Sorry? Gaseous exchange? What do you mean?
Gaseous exchange refers to the exchange of gas between animals and plants.
Can you repeat, please?
Yes, don't worry, my friend. Listen carefully. Gaseous exchange refers to the exchange of gas between animals and plants. Gaseous exchange refers to the exchange of gas between animals and plants.
I know you are best in biology, but plants and animals, How comes?
I think you forgot, Salma. We have learned this at school.
Okay, remind me please.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, see the waves, Musa. And there is another boat coming.
Some of them are fishing boats, but I think that one is not.
Okay, let us continue with our discussion.
Alright, so gaseous exchange means we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide.
Okay.
But plants breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. And that is why our respiration is more successful where there are many plants.
Respiration?
Yes, respiration.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Can I tell you something?
Okay, tell me.
Can we get something to chew here in the boat? Because when you say respiration, I think we have very important issue to discuss on our way.
Yes, of course.
I have many questions to ask you about the respiration and gaseous exchange. But anyway, we have to get something to chew.
That is a good idea, my friend. I feel to eat something. Yeah.
Wow! Now I'm okay. Even chicken chips are available. Can we continue with our discussion?
Yes, because I'm full now. So we can continue.
Wow! Have you seen a big white fish over there with dots?
Oh, I have seen it. It's called chewa.
Do fish have such a big mouth like that?
Yes, it helps to eat foods like small fishes.
Uh-huh.
Exactly. It's also used for moving water and air in and out.
Air? How fish gets air in water?
It is a dissolved air.
I don't get you. What do you mean dissolved air?
That means water contains dissolved oxygen and dissolved carbon dioxide as well. Let me repeat, okay?
Okay.
That means water contains dissolved oxygen and dissolved carbon dioxide as well. Can we move to other places just to explore the boat?
It is a good idea, Musa. But I worry. There is not enough space over there. We cannot get fresh air.
Of course, Salma. We need fresh air for respiration because our life depends on fresh air.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Salma,
Yes?
can you observe what is happening while opening your nose?
I think there is movement of air in and out of the body.
Very good. Can you guess the name of that process of air moving in and out of your body?
Uh-huh. I think that is respiration.
You have tried. It's called inhalation. And the moving of air out of the body we call exhalation.
Uh-huh. Now I understand. Inhalation, exhalation.
I'm not your teacher, but the inhalation and exhalation together form breathing.
All right. And where does the air moves into the body? From the nose?
Well, it's a good question. The air moves into the right and left lung inside the chest.
Okay. Lungs. Lungs. Lungs.
Yes, lungs. are respiratory organs in human body.
So all animals have lungs.
No, not all animals have lungs, but they do have respiratory organs.
How do they get air through other organs?
Do you know gills?
Yes, I know them.
Where did you see them?
I have once seen a fishmonger removing out gills from a fish.
Okay, so gills are respiratory organ of fish. Gills are respiratory organs of fish.
How about other animals like insects? Do they have respiratory organs?
Yes, insects like grasshopper, cockroach, and butterfly have respiratory organs too. Insects like grasshopper, butterfly, cockroach have respiratory organs too.
Where can we see them?
The abdomen of all insects have an opening called spiracles and a network of tubes called trachea.
Trachea.
Yes, trachea are respiratory organs of insects.
Can you tell me what is happening in the lungs?
Sure, lungs are like sponge. They have air sacs called alveoli and numerous blood capillaries. Lungs are like sponge. They have air sacs called alveoli and numerous blood capillaries.
Okay, I see. That's why they are soft.
Exactly.
So what can you tell me about alveoli?
When air reaches the alveoli, oxygen gas diffuses into the blood capillaries, and carbon dioxide diffuses from blood capillaries to alveoli. When air reaches the alveoli, oxygen gas diffuses into the blood capillaries, and carbon dioxide diffuses from blood capillaries to alveoli.
Aha! Is that the same as diffusion process?
Exactly, Salma. It is a movement of materials from a region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. It is a movement of materials from a region of higher concentration to the region of low concentration.
So it means oxygen gets into the blood capillaries and carbon dioxide gets out of the capillaries.
Exactly. Can you tell me the name of that process?
It's called gaseous exchange.
Yes, it is the exchange of gases. Oxygen for carbon dioxide, which occurs in the respiratory organs.
Our visit to Mafia has given us a lot of benefits today.
Yeah, but there is another thing to remember.
Which one?
Okay, if the air we breathe is contaminated with dust and bacteria, we may get respiratory illness. If the air we breathe is contaminated with dust and bacteria, we may get respiratory illness.
Respiratory illness? Such as what, Musa?
Such as corona, asthma, and other airborne diseases. We are close to Mafia, Salma, you see?
Yes, I see.
Have you enjoyed the trip so far?
I have enjoyed and learned a lot traveling with ferryboat.
Exactly. Can you tell me one thing the most?
Yeah, I have learned respiratory organs of different animals.
Very good. Can you give me examples?
Yes, for instance, gills in fishes and lung in human beings.
Very good. Lungs are also respiratory organs for other animals like cow, cat, dog, and lion.
Also, I learned respiratory diseases such as corona, asthma, and coughing, which are airborne diseases.
Yes, We also learned the concept of gaseous exchange.
Thank you, my dear Salma and Musa. I was with you in your discussion, even though you didn't see me. I hope our dear listeners have enjoyed and gained a lot through your discussion. Now, here are the questions about the topic for further discussion. Question number 1. On your own time, discuss with your friend how gaseous exchange takes place in living organisms. Discuss with your friend how gaseous exchange takes place in living organisms. Question number 2. Why does human respiration likely to be affected at the place where there are full of plants rather than the place crowded with people? Why does human respiration likely to be affected at the place where there are full of plants rather than the place crowded with people? My dear listener, I have to say goodbye and catch me in the next program.
Happy, 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 happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy.
You can be a pilot, you can be a doctor, you can be a soldier, you can be a lawyer.
If you believe you can, if you start hard, you will.